Hey Hoopers, here are 3 reasons why you might consider buying the Spalding 7811SP basketball rim and net. Affordable and versatile. The Spalding 7811SP is a budget-friendly option compared to higher-end breakaway rims. It's a good choice for casual players or those setting up a home court for beginners. Additionally, it works for both indoor and outdoor use, making it a versatile choice. Easy installation. This rim features a standard mounting plate, allowing for easy installation on most standard backboards, garage doors, or walls. No need to worry about complicated setups. Durable construction. Made from steel with a powder-coated finish, the Spalding 7811SP is built to last. It can withstand regular use and various weather conditions, especially if you plan to use it outdoors. However, it's important to consider some limitations as well. This rim is a standard rigid design, so it won't flex with dunks like a breakaway rim. If you're looking for a more professional playing experience, a higher-end rim might be a better option.